singaka attendanga isonto ne but njengoba ayichaza ukhulekani sivane sifaka ama invitation for emasontweni but this time we were lucky.
013 Golden Circle, another day, another dollar. We coming back to you from a Moonlight Lifestyle. Njengoba ngihlala ngisho every time when we are on air ukuthi iMoonlight uyithola nela ewili akhamene akhavile. Yabona namhlanje ezani setup ithanda ukungitshintshela. Angihlalanga esofeni lami leli engijwayele ukuhlala kilo yabo. Namhlanje enye setup nani ngiyabona namhlanje ngihlele esitulweni. Next to me ngiphethe amadoda amakhulu siyawazi ngokwabona anokwenza izinto ngiyangibamba banokwenza izinto very 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 important, and then that is why namhlanje, as you always know, ukuthi thina we bringing you influential people whereby we tell kasi narratives. This gentleman next to me amadoda ashaya igospel. Ngizomane ngikele da ngithi bashaya igospel. What kind of gospel? Nina nizobezwa nje sebakhuluma. Next to me I've got ukhulekani ngiphethe nendoda enye lapha bathi ushoes. Chance Feli.
Sharp buti kunjani? Siyancane.
Yeah man, thank you for gracing us with your presence la e013. You know when I shoes mangukufonela ube like hey mfethu. Manje ngize mina lezi zinto lezi phela ngizijwayela ngestaff angazama ukuthi khuleka ndoda lapha sizoxoxa. Sikhulume kabanzi ngalento eniyenzayo. So as much as I know what you guys are doing, ngicela ukuthi please introduce and tell our viewers who you are. Ngizocala la kule ndoda ethukile next to me.
Yeah. Sure. Igama ukhulekane ukathi yetso i-content creator yeStiba se-United Gospel Choir. Ngibuya kahle original from Sidiba Sabophilo Gospel Choir. Bengi organizer yakhona, so ngapha sengi content creator
Sidiba
ama poster nowabonako la content Sidiba Sabophilo kuma Facebook na kuma social media enjoy it.
Yeah. No, you're doing a very good job because I was attracted by the social media Sidiba. Nami ukuthi awuthi ngithi ngithinta amadoda. All right, choose.
Sanibonani babukeli, igama uInnocent Mvumbi. Ngaziwa ngoShoes njengoba sebashini. Ngi-organizer iStiba se-United. Previously bengi-manager ye-United Gospel Singers.
Right. Yeah.
Yes.
So kahle kusho ukuthi namhlanje sihleli namadoda ayi2. Ngizoyiqala from Tuka. Innocent ubuya from iStiba Sabophilo, am I right?
No,
United.
No, ngisho from Dala before.
Yeah, United. Ushoes, Innocent.
Yeah. So you guys are coming from two groups, but now sending into A1. Yeah. No, Chance Dentinichu now is very important. That is why I was attracted, and then I was like, I'm not busy. But then before Stubega, ngayo la khutesa ukuthi manje nigcine seni United. Ngizonbuza mhlambe nje the both of you ukuthi njengawe mfowethu. Kuzo zonke izinto ezikhona ekasi. Umculo kunabo ma R&B kunabo ma what in. What inspired ilo kanje ukuthi nenze iClap and Tap? Yes, they are doing iClap and Tap, by the way. What inspired you guys ukuthi nibambe iClap and Tap?
Oh, all right. Yeah. I think ngicale ngichaze.
Sure.
Like njengoba sowushizo bhuti ne?
Yeah.
Ziningi into esingazenza.
Yeah.
Like njengabe ngidlala ibhola.
Yeah.
But azange ngiphumelele indaba zokulimala into njengalezo. So iClap and Tap ngayingenela ngicala ukuthi ngiyobukela.
Sure.
Bengasinto yami vele. Just ukubukela. But bengiba nemibono ku-United. Okay, bebayithatha serious yona ne. Ngabona ukuthi if ngangena la kule group le singanceda abantu abaningi. Because remember now, especially like Witbank.
Yeah.
Abafana esikhule nabo, abusisikhule nabo. They are on drugs. So ukuthatha labantu ubafaka egroupini njengale ubakhipha ezinkingeni kahle kahle ukuthi bangacabangi ukuyobhema ukuyophuza ukuyoganga ezihlebe tape group mostly like kunama opera
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
but ihlebe tape is simple ngoba most isicuni ngoba zisontweni it's just izishintshile okunye sekufakwe lethi nezandla
Yeah.
so iba simple for umuntu noma ayicala
Yeah.
kahle kahle
So wena bakukhabile ebholweni bakufaka isicathulo bakufaka ushoes wathi ne ibhola ngiyaliyeka awuthi ngiyolo kanje ngala because as you say you started by attending and then the love started from there
siyakhula
negama laka shoes lisuka lapho vele ukuthi bakufaka isicathulo or
No,
ngotswini
bengidlala njengo shoes
obudlala nje ngo-shoes hayi ukuthi bakufaka i-shoes decide ukuthi awuthi ngeke khulekani wena what inspired the love for Hlebe Ntep?
So give me it started way back
Yeah.
2009 if I'm not
2009.
mistaken, yeah.
Yeah.
So bengise sonto bengayazi ne Hlebe Ntep.
Sure.
This thing in Hlebe Ntep bengayazi.
Yeah.
So 2009 bengise Kerk vele ngithanda ukucula mina kahle kahle.
Yeah.
eKRK AME church. So umfo wangi-invite emakhwayeni.
Sure.
Nakhona izindaba lokuthi hayi man athi ngumkhaphi.
Yeah.
Awu acala lapho ngabona isitiba sabophilo. Ngi-invite uyimember. Hawu yababona vele ngihleli ngithi hayi labanye bajoyina la.
Yeah.
Labanye bajoyina laba.
Yeah.
Akusizi.
Yeah.
Yaqala lapho indaba eHlebe Ntep from 2009 vele going forward vele solo benginale choir isitiba sabophilo vele ngi-inspired from lapho.
Yeah.
First day ngisababona emashowini so kahle kahle umculo u-right awufuna ba inspired kakhulu emashowini la uzobona khona
Yeah.
ukuthi kenzekani emakhwayeni kahle
Yeah.
performance yakhona.
So ucula iphi part ba? Tenor, bass, soprano, alto, ushaya iphi?
no uma nje angisaculi just ngale
No, but the
position
time ucula
bengicula i10
ucula i-10 wena khulekani madoda we-10 nami ngishaya i-10 should before sihamba sizoshaya nje umucunyana nje kunibonisa ukuthi nami I can sing yabo but yeah gents Hlebe Ntep you guys have been like these were two choirs boku united
yes
bayiphelele konje bayithini
United Gospel Singers
United Gospel Singers isidiba
Isitiba sabophilo
Sabophilo
gospel choir.
Gospel Choir. Isidiba Gospel Choir before siba this joint venture esenikiyo ben rehearsela kuphi?
Isitiba sabophilo be rehearsala currently besezotela
Yeah.
community center. Besirezela khona.
Before isodela.
Bekune kamam amkhohle. Bese garage omunye umuzi.
Describe ngizokutshela ukuthi kuphi akusikamkwena. eTycoon.
Ngathi Tycoon.
Kaboniko. Yeah, Kaboluka.
Yes.
Yeah, ilapho ngasekhaya kithi. Why ngisho so because I know ngisakhula isidiba bengibabona amajida vele bananda abantu baya lapha kaMkwena bayolo kanja khona.
And by that time mina bengafika.
Bongafikanga la mina bengiyibona ngoba bengiyintwana ngisho bebakhuphuka edladleni kule strat esingapha but bona ngapha yabo ngizwa ama voice and stuff ngisho ukuthi no lazi yakhipha and then wena mfo shoes ben rehearsela kuphi
wathina sirezele endaweni ezihlukahlukene
okay
but masicala besirezela extension 10
yeah
then sabuya ukhansela usewashiya emhlabeni wasinika indawo extension 1 but the current job sisi sohlangana nesidiba besisirezela extension 1 nakhona but not at the same place nga istrateni saka emva kwestrat saka sawa kwelinye ikerk ehlala ngahle.
Now I'm dynamics guys I'm gonna go now to the current state enikiso manje ukuthi nisidiba se United Gospel Choir you are now one entity if I can put it like
Yes.
that. And then you guys are scattered from all over, like us, khona basezinambeni, khona bakuphi kuphi. And then ama-dynamics now to say, i-rehearsal space, ni-rehearsela kuphi?
Okay. Ama-results wethu ne akayi-3 ngivele. It's Tuesday, Thursday and Saturdays.
Yeah.
Tuesday and Thursdays sirezela kaRamotla extension 10.
Okay.
Then ngama-Saturdays sirezela eZodela.
Okay, kushuthi ni-accommodate-ana.
Yeah, so
Ukuthi okay, basezinambeni, nabo bake beze ngayi eKasi, and then baseKasi, nabo bake bahambe, baye ngala, yini konje?
ezinambeni, yeah.
So now, gents, about 3 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, you guys had a concert lapho eLinville Hall. But before siya lapho, ni launched, senilonchile as isidiba legama, sorry, isipedi kwesinye isikhathi, sidiba se United.
Se United.
Have you launched now, you guys, as sidiba se United? Because now, as you alluded earlier on, ukuthi, you were 2 choirs, but now you are 1 choir. Have you launched yourselves as isidiba se United?
Currently, azange asilunchanga, we're still in a process yokuluncha.
Okay, it's a process of launch. Kushuthi le concert njengoba bengisasho lebe lapho eLinville Hall, was it the first concert you had as Sidiba Se United?
Yes, it was our first concert.
Okay, so meaning mawukhuluma ngeprocess sekuyimi ke manje ngifaka mhlamba ingcondo yami engekho ukuthi le concert ebenayo le is the beginning of the process towards launching.
Indeed,
Exactly.
indeed,
Oh yeah,
indeed. The
but now
process
yeah,
alapho.
yeah, okay.
From there, vele sisa sema show after show, then kunala angazi uma organizer la kuma so attend masonto nakhona vele.
Talking about amasonto, ukhuluma ngawaphi amasonto, like you guys, do you get invitations from churches or yini enifaka ama-proposals to say, can we come and visit your church, sinibonise into esiyenzayo?
Sifaka ama invitation if I'm not mistaken, ne?
Yeah, nifaka ama-invitations, sometimes kuyake kenzeka ukuthi ban-reject.
No, up to so far singaka-attendanga isonto ne. But njengoba ayichaza ukhulekani sivane sifaka ama-invitation for emasontweni, but this time we were lucky because amasonto a-invite thina.
Oh yeah?
Yes,
An inviter now as isidiba se-United.
esisidiba se-United.
Now, previously, ngizoza ngapha kuStiba. I-process yenu yokuthi nisiveze ebantwini, how were you doing it?
Oh,
Remember, lo kuyakudala. Njengoba ama-choirs, both choirs were formed in 1990. There was no social media. Ne? There was no social media, and izinto bezingabi viral. Uthola ukuthi manje bathi ziyacirculate kuma what you call kuma socials.
Socials, yes.
Ne? But then, how did you manage to get amahholo packed? Manenza ama-concert. Even if you've joined them after 1990, obviously already besekuyenzeka that days. And most probably you know, angeke ujoyine into bese maceda lapho you don't ask about nisukaphi siyaphi. How were you guys able ukuthi nigcwalise amahholo? NjengeLinville Hall so. Yeah.
I think it's spiritual. Kahle kahle likhaya umoya kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Nakhona umndeni oyi-1 if ingayibeka kanjalo, so besiphuma
Yeah.
besiphuma every time toti a member ushonelwe besiya thina to that event funeral,
Yeah.
sibaduduze kahle kahle.
So i-presence yenu yiyo le also ya alamisa abantu ukuthi hey nasi isilwane lapha seKlippenton. Ne? Same applies nakini shoes. Was it the same thing or mhlambe you had other dynamics to say now you want people to know who you are. How were you able to market yourself?
Yeah, bekunzima kakhulu because i-social media like usho beyingekho manje kusimple simane siyaposta senzana but mina leyo routine leyo ngisayisebenzisa even now leyakudala
Leyamaflower.
yes even mangathi uyabheka mhlambe around ezinambeni lokushini town before le show ukhuluma ngayo le concert le bekunama besiplakile besiplaka
Yeah.
bisebenzela kakhulu
Yeah, njengoba like manje I'm gonna pose another question ukuthi which one is the best? Social marketing or the flower marketing? Why not the flower marketing? Remember why not flower marketing? Yeah. Which one is the best?
To me it's 50-50. If social media is growing njengamanje we are doing a broadcast, it's going to social.
Yeah.
So social media kahle it's taking another step level now.
You know what I'm thinking, Mina, that's my tubo ukuthi mina as far as I'm concerned I still prefer the flower marketing. Why ngisho njalo ukuthi ngiprefer flower marketing? Flower marketing also create a team building.
exactly
Ngoba masiphuma sibanele. And masenza lento lena kokunye sihamba siyacula abantu basibone ukuthi nayi into sishunayo bese sisala somari sifaka into ukuthi no on such a date sisobe senza 1 2 3 4 5.
But ukhumbule ke kuna this thing target market.
Yeah.
Your aim kahle is to reach abantu abaningi to know about that event. So immediately uvuka ekseni ubheka ifoni so yazi ukuthi hey kunento enzeka sona. So majority if ungabheka manje iflower kunabo abortion kunanani so nezinto eziningi indaba yeflower.
Uyachaza manje soyakhuluma yabona ukuthi angeke ukulast for instance.
but I think I'll differ kuyo ne
Yeah.
remember iClub and Tap uyakhumbula ngale nkathi lezi zakudala iClub and Tap beyidume njani beyidume kakhulu so labantu bebacula sebantu abadala manje bomama bobaba abanye bogogo so iflower marketing is the best angisho ukuthi i-social media siyeke ne
Yeah.
but iflower marketing is the best cause loyo muntu omdala loyo akanayo Facebook so maka ehla itaxi la eborder ayakakhe uzoyibona lento that's why uthola kugcwele i-youth then uthola nabo mama abadala abakhona yilaba bebacula bathanda lo music lo
Ujoba sikhuluma so sekunegama esicreative le flower marketing.
exactly yeah
That's ngokuhlala kwethu nje problem sekunegama nje elivukile le flower marketing. All right, ilo kanje. No, I get the gist of now these choirs coming together now. I'm going to ask ukuthi mhlambe what propelled the joint venture within the two choirs, because separately both choirs were doing well. You understand? But now, what propelled the motion to say now, let's come together and be united?
okay
Anzima my question again, Buzo.
no I was sensing okay ngizoyicala so isidiba sabuphila
Sure.
ne-United Gospel Singers mostly bacula into umusic ofanayo
Sure.
so another thing is ukuthi sibe senze le GNU akusile government
Yeah.
le gospel le
You know there.
yeah
Yeah.
ukuthi ama choirs maningi manje
Okay.
maningi kakhulu and akusaculwa le style lesi vele bachintshile but so thina sifuna ukugcila kakhulu ku sports story
Yeah.
so sahlangana ne committee yesidiba
Yeah.
ne committee yethu United sabonisana okay kwaba khona ukuphikisana okukhona basagcina se right
Sure. Now, for those who don't know, you said sekuhlukile khona ama-dynamics athize ayenzakalayo. Can you elaborate maybe on that? Lawo ma-dynamics lawo aseyahlukile because mina as someone mangithi ngilalela i-clap and tap, for mina as long as wenza so i-clap and tap for me. So which iwaphi lawo ma-dynamics?
So I think if ever mhlambe it's just mhlambe ukuthi uvane ubhizi ungayi emashowini akusaculwa i-sports story straight.
Okay. Ufaka uspiano.
Yeah, like amapiano sona.
Hayi nina amapiano khona futhi nasesipostoli.
Yeah, akhona.
Akhona.
And
yeah.
remember ukuthi like I said before, labantu abadala ukuze banisupport bafuna le sports story vele. Umuntu aye eshowini aphume apholile. Kunespiano manje kuyajive akusintembi.
Yeah.
Into right.
Zama accommodate lelusha.
Lelusha.
Okay, I'm gonna go back maybe kancane ukuthi you know yonke into khona la iqale khona. Even us as 013 now ngasibuza ukuthi siqaliphi sokutshela. So now as people who are involved ku gospel and clap and tap, for us who don't know, i-clap and tap izaze ibe i-clap and tap isukaphi iqalaphi or nani ithole sehamba na that sibambe phela like guys you content creator plus
Organize.
yes isukaphi
Hayi mina ngeke ngitshele. Hey mina ngicela ukungena manje. Lento isuka kudala boma 90 to history ngiyaziyo Steve mina from 1992 or 1990 somewhere lapho.
yeah
Ukuzwa ngayo history Steve. Back wave and
but I'm thinking ukuthi abantu ababukele bazosi-assista ngama-comment yabona assisting ngama-comment because lento esiyenzayo lana njengoba sixoxa we are not doing it just for the three of us but we're doing it for one of your missions. Mission yenu ukuthi ithini mission yenu manje attract the youth, attract many youth to come and join.
Yes.
They understand. So nabo mabazojoina ichoir i-clap and tap said base united, at least they should have, you know, the history behind ukuthi how did clap and tap come about. You understand? But that is here mangaba nikenje sumar nambe na noenzi research.
Okay, mina in my opinion,
Yeah.
i-clap and tap isuka kumasonto amapostoli. St. John, St. Moses. Remember, bewakhona amachoir, but the most choirs ebewaphuma emasontweni like the Barorisi, Jerusalem, bekumachoir are under church.
Yeah.
Even now, Ibarorisi is still under church. Uyakhumbula St. John vele makuculwa.
Yeah.
It's just bachinje lapho nalapho bayenza lezi ngoma ukuthi zingasafani exactly njengale, but still is apostoli.
So what I'm gathering now, ukuthi lama group kahle kahle njengesidiba se-United is not controlled by any church per se. Let's say ukuthi nali sonto lila unale choir le. You're not coming from the church, but you different people from different
churches, yes.
who have formed a group of clap and tap, which is or was inspired by Ispostoli, Saboma St. John, St. Ntontoni, St.
Yeah.
Tonton. So you guys have commercialized lo mculo because ni group nakhona nokurecord nakhona ukuzenzela amafa. Talking about ukurecord. Have you recorded?
Not yet.
But as a Steve you have. None as
United, yes.
United you have.
Yes.
Ne? Ngibuyela ngifuna ukuya la kule mission. The mission yenu to attract youth because now youth nayibona ukuthi manje sekwenzakala.
sayibona.
Ne? Youth asikhulume ngama 2K. Ama 2000, ama 2000 lawa sibiza ngama 1K.
Yeah.
Abatsheleki labantwana labo. They are unattractable. So what are the criteria you guys are having to say now siyaba attractor laba bazokhona ukuza la? Obviously bakhona abanjoyini. The
Yes.
criteria that you used, what are the criteria that you used to attract the youth? And also the top-up question on that, what is it that you are doing to sustain them that banga shift bahlale bakhona?
Ku-youth, as you said, iyahlupha kakhulu. But thina sisebenza ngale ndlela le. Sikhuluma nabo ngisho like sicela uzojoin ekhwayeni. Like mostly sikhuluma nabo. Abantu abakusibukelayo bona laba bathanda ukubukela.
Sure.
Sibathola lapho vele. Sikhuluma sicela uzojoin ekhwayeni. Then umuntu simlanda sibona indlela zakhe ukuthi uso. But angazi wori sine lucky. Mostly abajoinayo bathintsha ukwenza. Yeah, angazi uri abasasitholi lesikhathi sokwenza into zama 2K na or njani, but bathintsha ukwenza because mostly siba sekhwayena ngisho. And if ever siyavumelana nawe asikuthathi without the permission yabazali. Ekhaya kosebazi ukuthi namuhle ekhwayeni namuhla kwenzekala ini.
So talking about the permission yabazali, obviously maybe you do have indemnity forms that they sign as parents, because nowadays it's seventy paper, or you just doing it by lip service.
No, besiyenza ngomlomo.
Siya nakhona.
Another question that I have with regards to the youth, the programs that you have. Some sustainability to keep them within the choir now.
Yeah.
The programs that you have within EGNU, is it only music or there's other activities where you guys are doing?
Okay.
Ngingangenzi ngifile kwangathi no Debra Phatha
Yeah.
mathi ngiyani
No.
that's ya.
Nale ngizoyiphendula. Because ngiyabona uBraham ubheka mina.
Bambani thukile enkunzi relax. Yeah.
Okwamanje akukho ne, but sifuna like something because my sisine NPO is all right ne?
Yeah, NPO.
Like sifuna ama funds. NPC. Yes.
Yeah.
Siya apply ngayo ne for ama funds. Sifuna like kuvuleke something. Let me, for an example, let me say a laundry.
Laundry
Good
business.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Izothatha bona labantu abala ekhwayeni. Bawashe le uniform. Nabantu nawe uyaletha brawa mangisho uyapatala. Bakhona ukuthola something.
Yeah.
Like ukuthi sibakhiphe busy vele.
Yeah.
Because ikhwaya iyodwa ayeke bakhiphe busy. Asingeni every day.
Yeah, because I'm looking at that. Why I'm asking, that's why I'm looking from 1990 till now. Would you guys have stood the test of time? I mean, I was asking myself, I would always ask myself, what sustains group yeKlippenTap, especially njengaseKasi? Yes, ngiyabona lapha ezotela. Unanomchita lo bani uDoleza.
Yeah, uphola.
Uphola.
Yeah, unathi.
Uninaye uDoleza. UDoleza umchita ukuthi la eKasi. Simaze umchita weKlippenTap.
Yeah.
Ukhulela kuKlippenTap. You understand? So ngiyikongibuza ngamanye ama activities that you have and what is it that you're doing within. You understand?
Yeah.
Or mhlambe khona ingomanyana ethize or nathandazelana nibekana izandla, because you guys really ama group singawabala.
Yeah.
Singawabala like your cultural groups ebezikhona like us asekho.
Exactly.
Asekho. There's even ama art centers awasekho. But nina lokhu nisesekhona to an extent nigcine senidecide ukuthi nizenze nibe united front kube ma-choirs. Now that's why I'm asking ngizo-add futhi ukuthi there's quite a lot of things that are happening in the country of which you are aware of. The social ills, imisebenzi ayisatholakali, nayo madlanga, nabo bokhetha mahlala, nayo yonke la futesi, nabo abanye umfundisi bamgwebile nomntanakhe nonkosikazi. Like nina as a group concerning those things, what are your views? I can it to the moment. No, like bheka ne. Okay, as tashe le ecede ukwenzeka. la emalahleni umfundisi you guys ayisho ngicula isipostoli
Sure.
and you are coming from different denominations emasontweni
Sure.
nangu umfundisi bamtshontshela amabhetri bamtshontshela nezinye zezinto wadecide ukugamula izandla zomuntu nina ezikwaya mhlawumbe ukuthi how do you feel about that? I mean you are preaching the gospel na umuntu kaNkulunkulu the man of God ugamula izandla.
No, on my side, I wrong.
I-crime
wrong, 'cause
ngokwayo.
That guy bamgamla izandla wenze i-crime ngisho. Naye umfundisi wenza i-crime. Asho like umthetho South Africa umuntu makaganyile umvulele i-case. So mina angisupport vele yakamfundisi.
Awusupport yakamfundisi usupport yakamjida.
I-crime, go to i-crime, angisupport i-crime.
Now okay umfundisi uapply umthetho waseBhayibhelini. Ngibuza ukuthi kanjani?
Kanjani? Because awukho ku constitution of South Africa.
iBhayibheli lithini? If isandla sakho saka what you call sekuhlupha usenza. Saka
Asikhatha ngisho mara
Mara sinomthetho wasemzansi.
South
yeah,
Africa.
which is why I'm asking your views. You understand?
No, I see
As a group that sings about the gospel and also niphila emhlabeni, we need to be realistic.
Yeah.
Siphila emhlabeni la kwenzeka izinto ezibhedayo.
kakhulu.
You understand? Now, senginikeza ama-answer, msifana ukuthi nginibuza ama-question ngani. As people that are singing and bringing hope to the hopeless people out there, you understand? Music wenu is the one that's supposed to say now, noma ngabe kubheda kangakanani, but there is still hope.
Uzawulunga.
Zalunga.
Uzalunga.
Njalo
Understand?
vele.
Now, I'm going to another question.
Okay.
Going to another question. No, two.
Sure.
I'm a criteria as much as you are from different denominations. Nisindisiwe.
Sisindisiwe bona. Ngoba we preach the gospel, iBhayibheli lavulwa kwayeni. We pray. Sisindisiwe.
Sindisiwe. Sindisiwe. Wasaba. Sindisiwe thina. Nang sindiswa. But I do believe in God.
Okay,
Nakhona kuya kuthi ubuya kuliphi isonta ngisho.
Yara, uyabona manje uhamba na.
okay. Njengoba siyi group ne,
Yeah,
amasonto are different.
sure.
Abanye
Ubuye
bethu,
emi ne?
yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Abanye bethu asonti. Angithi mina, abanye
Abanye
bethu.
bethu, yes, you are right.
Yeah,
Ni
abanye
group,
bethu asonti.
yes.
But njengoba ukhuleka bisekashilo. I-platform sithola kuma rehearsals. Because siyenza mostly yonke into enziwe esontweni. And I remember esontweni baya kayi 1 mhlamba ngisho. Sina kusho siya kayi 3. Sine sinaso.
Khona ba every day.
Yes.
Yeah, khona ba every day. So yeah, ngiyabuyela futhi kule yampahla le yama social ills. Mostly nisenambi. Imvula inile no the last lapha yini. Khathi kuflata.
16.
16. You understand? Like I'm trying to get the gist to say now. Ngiyela kulento le sustainability of keeping the youth. What makes you ukuthi nikakarele phezulu kwalomculo as a group? West manje seniyini iGN and le GNU niphethe imessage. Niphethe imessage.
Sure.
Because the 30 years esibuya kiyo we celebrate 30 years this year.
Njalo.
Angisho celebrate 30 years. Ezinye zezinto within that will keep you guys pushing for another 30. Or maybe mhlambe mangabe beningakayicabanganga nayo it's fine. Lezi zinto engizibuzayo ukuthi ayi usibuze ezinye izinto.
No, besides ukucabanga or in ubuza umbuzo right. Umbuzo right. Kule 30 sifuna uku-add noma singasekho thina sisibadala understand but kube i-group isachubeka through i-dedication i-respect singayenza lento le
ilo kanje ibhola nisadlala nisachallenge amanye ama-group or you've never done that.
no sikwenzile normally no organizer like ama holidays
Yeah.
kuba nama sports day
Yeah.
so bekumele sibe ne sports day nge-24 September it was heritage ne
Heritage, yeah.
like invite wonke amakhwaya akhishwa mali but kuba nama trophies because nomuntu uvane ngikhulume naye Love Life. So the problem was Love Life beyivaliwe ngoba ekhumbule ivulwe mali beba renovate so lama activities lawo sisawenza.
Yeah.
I think by next year 24 again March i-holiday ngisho so bese ngoba ngibusy naye vele.
Yeah, mina like isifiso sami, the reason why also we invited you ukuthi people should see you. You understand? Because this platform is not limited to any specific town. Mayiphuma iyophatlalatseka tideng. Yofika la ifuna ukufika khona sazi yangithola. So the whole idea for us to invite you to come to Moonlight nihlale nathi ezi-013 ukuthi sini expose. Give you the platform now to say city was say united. Once upon a time 30 years ago they were two choirs, but now they've decided to join forces, and by joining forces kune message ebayiphethe. What we need to do as the society is to follow them and check and assist wherever we can, because sesibadala ukhulume ngokuthi le khathi iqala bekunabo mama sebabogogo manje labo baba sekuyini.
Yeah, this
Sola ukuthi baba
ukhulile.
Angena musi ngifana nje uTlebenthem angena ngisesemncane manje bhese kunjani
exactly wangena ungakwazi ukudrive
ngakwazi nokudrive
manje suyakwazi ukudrive uyangithola lokhu busy uya progressa and stuff. So that is why I'm asking izinto ezinenzezani ukuthi nikhona ukusustain, especially this nowadays siphila esikhathini esintswembu nje. Siphila esikhathini esintswembu shuza ukhulume ngama drugs. And then I asked ukuthi how nibadoba kanjani abantu abasha, as it is one of your missions that you say you want to attract the youth, and youth manje i-attractwa izinto eziningi, of which I think that's my own opinion now.
Yes.
To say that is why nama dynamics mancula sekunalama piano afakwayo to attract. Kosele ningithathe ningifake as i-spokesperson ngicabanga
Sikhona. Uzocabana nathi.
hayi isho ngiyamncedisa.
Uzocabana nathi baba.
Uzocabana nathi. But yeah, there's one thing also enginterestayo mina personally kuma Tlebenthep. Uma seyiculo seliyovalwa niyayibamba lento engikhuluma ngayo.
Yeah, ngiyakuthola.
Iculo uma seliyovalwa kwenzeka omunye umlingo la. Now who came up with that thing? Or nani nithole seyithuneka?
ngithole sejule
Yeah, sithole ikhona. And
But
still
so
iyaqhubeka.
yazi lento engikhuluma ngayo. Ayichazeni nje, ichazeni mina sethi ngapha ichazeni. Mina iyangikhaza, mina ngiyayithanda.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola ichazeni ukuthi yini lento engikhuluma ngayo.
Khulekani.
hayi mina ngithole isacibe
No, but yeah, ngisho yeah uyithola ikhona, ne? But now the question that I'm asking is chazisela abantu la ababukele. Mina ayisho mina ngiyazi ukuthi yipi. Ila angisho culo maseliyovala. Ila bese kunalomlingo lovamise ukwenzeka. Phela sengiyachaza. Yeah. Seyichazwa yini futhi?
ichaze
Hayi angeke ngichaze. Le yokushaya lezandla. Ngangizibuza mina ecaleni ukuthi manje why izandla mase sichinja kuba ngathi kune remix eyenzakalayo but bese iculo liyavalwa.
Umoya. Most of the songs like especially most postul. Ngicabanga uma ubukele nalehlelo lelini le Mino wa Hawu unokubona
ngicela senze example. Asishaye lezandla then uzosivalela wena.
Vale njani?
Vala iculo. Ivale ke shoes. Yazi lento manje ngikhuluma ngayo manje. Ayisho nonke nila.
Yeah.
Ne? Nonke nila. Bese kuba ngathi kunezinye izinto like khona oshaya.
Oh,
Yeah.
umoya weekend.
umoya lo
So manje ngoba sike emoyeni yiko kungenzeka.
umoya lo ngathi kuyatshintsha so
Yeah, ngathi
Umoya eyifila lo muntu angisho. Umoya.
So
lo.
if
ububheka nengoma ngathi seyiba fast nyana usakhona ukuthola kwenzakalani nje
Yagijima nale ngoma yakhona.
so lo moya loyo into yenzeka automatically or nawo ne urehezile lo moya.
umoya Abraham into eyenzeka automatically it might happen nawu nomoya ize emakhwayeni kusekho sesikuvuse lapha sewuvuke into zakho awaza ngisho isisuyo sakho awusasi kuphi
Yeah. Ini sithule.
yes
Right. Asibambe lapha asambe ke sila. Now sesidraw iscenario now ne? Sidraw iscenario. Siyacula. You remember what we used to say sisakhula masigwara amatlep and tap. Ekhumbula ukuthi masigwara tshwara moruti kyawa.
yeah
Ekhumbule tshwara
Yeah.
moruti kyawa. Now it happens ke siyacula. Naso ke sithunywa nangu tshwara moruti kyawa. A stage. How do you deal with that?
okay each and every choir ne but I won't talk about amanye amakhwaya
Sure.
njengathi kithi kunabantu vele bomoya ne then mangizowa mina angeke kusuke ukhulekane azongibamba kunabantu bakhona abaculayo abazokubamba abayazi ukuthi babaziyo ukuthi lento le boyehlisa kanjani
Okay.
because mina ngakuthatha mhlawumbe ngiyakubamba ngiyakhipha ungicake le bona bayazi ukuthi lento lesisebenza kanjani
Sure. Now, yeah, okay. You acknowledging the fact, okay, you said earlier on you are different, you are coming from different denominations, and you also now acknowledging to say kuna bantu abanomoya. And itulo manilishaya, mase liyophela or whatever, dependa ukuthi lo moya usuke ube khona. Ne? How then do you deal with negativity? Because you know, akusibo bonke abantu abasupporta into enomoya.
yeah
Akusibo bonke abantu abasupporta into enomoya, and njengoba manje nikhuluma ngeissue yomoya ukuthi manicula. Ngiyangithola. How do you deal with the negative comments that are coming now to say nina kune 1 2 3 4 5 within the choir?
ngiyazenzisa yini
Yeah. Yeah.
and most ama-comments anjalo ne avela ku-social media thina sifundise ama-choristers wethu ama-choristers ibandla lethu
Yeah.
ukuthi any negative more comment from social media or mhlambe siseholweni uyeva bayahleba just ignore kunama-pages wama-choir kunama-pages aphethe i-Witbank yonke i-Middelburg yonke ama-comment ahlala khona kufana nasebholweni
Sure.
hey lento le badlala idodi ini you can go and check alikho ichorista lethu leli-one
Discipline.
i-discipline like straight i-discipline elizokhomenta mhlawumbe bakhulume ngekhwaya bakhuluma bese umuntu like siyabafundisa ukuthi asiphumeni ezintweni ezingeke zisakhe thina ezikomiti sodila nayo and masidila nayo asidili nayo public futhi angisho ungakhomenta kimi ngipostile uyobona wonke umuntu angisho but noma ngizokulanda esayidini and angiyilwi nawo mfumani lapha yazi ngathi wenze iphutha and uyazi wenze iphutha but ngiyibeka kahle sithi nawe uzobona ukuthi hayi man lo muntu lo ukhulile so
Are you aware ukuthi now you've just mentioned another program that you're doing within the choir? Human
Yes.
development and psychological growth of a person.
yes
Those are that is one of the other things that you've mentioned. Because now I know I'm personal. any negative comment mayisafika engathi ngakubamba.
Uyakwata,
Engathi
uyakwata,
ngakubamba.
uyakwata.
But then as time goes on, ngiba like ish. But yeah, gents, let's talk about the future now. Let's talk about the future. We're in 2025. You guys have recently started. You did not rather started. You did your first concert as the GNU.
GNU, yes.
Let's talk about the future now. Let's talk about the future now. Ukuthi senzani? Where do we go from here? Ngiyaniculela ukuthi nikhone
Yeah. I think Leo ibhekene nami vele kahle
Hey,
kahle
guys,
as organized. Okay. We have 3 organizers ekhwayeni. There's no deputy. It's my organizer 3. And siyabonisana before start any decision. It's me, Paul, no CCU, Uthuli Sibiya.
Sure.
We're planning to have more shows. We're planning to have more money. Ngizoyichaza ekugcineni le imali ukuthi kanjani. We're planning to get more choristers. We're planning ukuthi isiphume. You understand? We're planning ukuthi like Jobo songibuza nge-CD.
Sure.
We're planning ukuthi senze yonke into enziwa amakhwaya. Sibe ne-CD lethu. Sibe khona ku senze ini ama singles adlale kuma radio station. Because remember isidiyo basidlala ku radio station. United bayidlala ku radio station.
Sure.
So yini ezosihlula ekubeni sikwenzile lokho before.
And manje senina more power because we
Sinamo
have
yes
more-
exactly. Because manje kunemibono evela asho la besidiba besinabo. Kunemibono yabona imibono mase iminingi ihlangene iyasebenza.
But do you think record a CD now it's wiser?
Manje isithi it's not wiser,
It's not
but
wiser.
ile nto bengikutshela nge-social media ukuthi it's becoming more powerful kunabo YouTube, kunabo iTunes, there's a-
Yeah.
Spotify. Social media is growing faster.
Yeah.
So-
So when I as a content, what you call content creator of the organization, so it means you are well vested on what is happening.
I'm well vested.
Well vested, and then you are into yenu nishaye kamnandi, and on what you say in shoes, yeah, you're planning to have a bright future for Sidibase United.
Yes.
And also, what is important into any pick up of which I love from your mission to attract the youth. I think if future is very bright and there's nothing that I can say or do but to say keep it up. Lento eniqalayo niqala esinye isilwane njengoba nalwa before
Yeah.
nihlanganisa. I bet you nisazulu.
No. That is our aim.
Don't worry. Yeah. Not to aim ukuthi nilwe.
Asili
Uqala ngithi mina I bet you nesazulu uthini wena yini.
sisazulwa.
Ngithi I bet you nesazulu. Angisho nithi nalwa before. Ningazwani kahle ukuthi into ihlangana. Yagcine ihlangane there was distraction mangabe ungizwa kahle. There was distraction which led to
No, it's not like masithi sike salo ne. It was something like vele like bekuba. Yes, we had I think this meter guy 3 ngeviki and the late it's like this because ama decision athathwa namuhla. Kuyabona thatha ama decision as a group. But mase uyi-1 uhambile isendlini uyayibona na hayi mali lapha so. Bese ngithi khulekani. Mara uyayibona into so. Bese sekuyaphikiswa yabo.
Ile nto engisho.
Yeah.
Ile nto engisho misunderstanding. Asazoba khona amanye ama misunderstanding. Hence mangithi nesazulu ngawo la ma misunderstanding. But then you've had ama misunderstandings before. Bekune hlakaraha but then something constructive came from the misunderstandings. Kwaba ne GNU, Government of National Unity. Ngiyabamba nje.
Yeah, ngiyakubamba.
Mina one person mangikhuluma I
Yeah.
need you to read between the lines.
Yeah.
Kahle kahle ngithina angikutshela into straight.
Okay, ngizophendula. Ethi ngeke ngiphendule ngizobeka umbono.
Yeah.
angeke sisala angeke kusa like njengoba sicala like our aim into eyi-1 singaba kwawena endlini ngizoyenza example ningaba nempikiswano nomama ne niphikisana sokuthi noyithu nifuna nikhuluma ngento eyi-1 but niza umunye uyilanda lena so manje sifuna into eyi-1 our goal ukuthi le khwaya ichubeke so ukuphikisana kwethu kuzoyenzani bulala ikhwaya so ukubulala ikhwaya kusafara ama-choristers.
But yeah, I think sesivala before sivala mara kose lobuyele kule ndaba yakho yemali khulume ngemali azange kusayithasha ngendaba yemali.
Okay.
Yeah, before sivala I think constructive criticism within any relationship is the best. Ngazwa na understand.
Yeah.
Constructive criticism within any organization, whether relationship and
Or
stuff, it's the best because it is the one that helps you to grow. Njengoba ushizo ukuthi
Exactly.
mawufika ekhaya uzibhanqula la never. You understand? So yeah, that's me now saying good luck for the future. That's me now saying
Yeah, no,
good luck for the future.
siyazibonga.
Good luck for the future and we're hoping ukuthi nale episode le izofika la kufanele ifike khona. Nani encourage our members to like and subscribe to our page. Ngiyavala njalo mara sibuyele lapha kule ndaba yemali thize
Sifuna ukwenza imali.
yeah.
Sifuna ukwenza imali. Yazi why sifuna ukwenza imali? Our aim ukuthi ekhwayeni sifuna uma films are different. So the more we make money, the more soul inform. The more sinceda abantwana. Kahle kahle ngabe imali beyikhona lethi ukuthi siyenze lezi lento. We are planning ukuthi by manje December. Each and every chorister athole ihemba. Ukudla. Ababhadali uniform kithi. Asibabhadali transport. Siyenza ama means ukuthi bakhona ukudla eshowini. That's why I was talking about ukuthi sifuna ukwenza imali eningi. Because we already have
Full of bonema.
that's why sisavula ne bank account. Sure. Just imagine a choir evulwe 17 February ne sicala ama negotiations wethu.
Sure.
Saceda ngabo sa practice. We didn't have 8 ama practices. Saba ne show.
Yeah. Sure, it was very
But
powerful.
we are about to raise imali for ukuthenga i-uniform.
Sure.
And remember makhwabe but ayoko but bazosibona ngisho. But sina singela abosisi amarobho wathungela. Abobhuti amabru namaduku namashed. I won't go to figures.
No,
But
don't go
siyenzile.
to this, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. The fact that you guys were able to do it means a lot, and it says a lot what you are capable. Yabo? So ngiyazi kunabantu abayibukele obviously and bazofisa ukwazi ukuthi okay njengoba uceda ukukhuluma shoes ukuthi how do I get hold of them now, your presence, social media asiphosele ngapha
Yeah.
content
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 creator.
banithola kanjani your handles?
Satholakala ku Facebook page ku Sidiba Say United Gospel Choir, na ku WhatsApp ku channel sinayo, ku Instagram sinayo. Currently sizazama ukuvula ine YouTube yana so that
Nama handles wakho ku Instagram is it the same as ku Facebook?
is the same.
It's the same. Sidiba
Say United
Say United only.
only.
Sidiba Say United.
change.
Sidiba Say United on Facebook and Instagram. You don't have X, ne?
We don't
You
have.
don't have on TikTok. You don't have TikTok.
Correct.
Surely it's something which is still on the way
In the
because
process.
there's a lot of things that they have planned. No, thank you very much, gentlemen, for coming through to E013, and we really appreciate you coming to the platform and not to see 013. You mustn't forget, James, ladies and gentlemen, like and follow us on Facebook. On Facebook, we are Golden Second. Then Ubakaki, Sapala Lapaguti, Golden Second Podcast. Instagram 013 Golden Circle ibhaliwe ngamagama. TikTok ibhaliwe ngamagama, but even if upressa u013 uzoyithola. And continue to like and subscribe to our page on YouTube, 013 GCTV Media, and feel free to comment because your comments are the ones that are, you know, keeping us afloat. Sizokhona nathi ukwazi ukuthi where can we grow, ikuphi lana singenzi kahle, ikuphi la senza kahle, because the narratives that we're talking about ama narratives wala elokishini sifuna abantu bagrowe baye phambili kwenzeke zonke izinto ezimnandi. So ngalawo magama lawo esengiwakhulumile ngukhumza tso hayi bakithi, coming to you from a Moonlight Lifestyle with the Akave Azim.